Hey Google, stop the music! Hey everyone, yesterday, here was our problem. What two-digit number am I thinking of? How I solve this is I look at this first, right here. I am the product of two consecutive whole numbers. There can only be a few consecutive whole numbers that are multiplied that give you a two-digit number. For example, what's 2 times, let's see, 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 3 is 6, 3 times 4. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 4, 4 times 5. 5 times 6. 6 times 7. 7 times 8. 8 times 9. 9 times 10. And 10 times 11, of course, will be a 3-digit number. So these are the only numbers. So now I look back here. Both of my digits are even. That's got a 1 in it. Nope. 2 and a 0, that's good. That's got a 3. Nope. 4 and a 2, that's good. 5, nope. 7, nope. 9, nope. We're down to just 2 numbers. It's either 20 or 42. So they're both 2 digits. They both have even digits. They're both the product of consecutive digits. The sum of my digits is greater than the product. The sum, 2 plus 0 is 2. Is that bigger than 2 times 0? Is that larger than 2 times 0? It is, right? 2 plus 0 is 2. That's bigger than 2 times 0, which is 0. What about this one? So it's got to be this one, but let's just double check. 4 plus 2 is 6. Is that bigger than 4 times 2, which is 8? No, 6 is not bigger than 8. The answer yesterday was 20. Woo! All right, I'm in the kitchen, and I noticed that we had a big bag of grapefruits, and this is an 8-pound bag of grapefruits. It made me wonder how many grapefruits typically come in the bag. So, pretty easy to count. I see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's kind of odd. It's actually very odd. It just happens to be 7 grapefruits come in an 8-pound bag. I thought that was kind of weird, but that's what it is, 7. It made me start thinking, I wonder how oranges work. Well, it just so happens that we have an 8-pound bag of oranges here at the house, and somewhere here it says, here's where it says 8 pounds and 128 ounces right there. Let's see, 8 pounds, and this happens to have 15. I counted them, there's 15 in there. Another odd number, though that was kind of weird. I kept looking here at the house, and we also had an 8-pound bag of apples, Macintosh apples. And there are 17 apples in here. Again, such odd numbers, 7, 15, and 17. Weird. Made me wonder what else we had in the house. What else if we had an 8-pound bag? Well, I found potatoes. Except this is only a 5-pound bag. A 5-pound bag of potatoes has, it's hard to see, but I counted. I didn't want to open it. There are 10 potatoes in here. So what if the potatoes came in an 8-pound bag? How many potatoes would there be in there? So a 5-pound bag has 10. What would an 8-pound bag have? Then I looked at what else we have in the house. So there's one question. Potatoes. And I saw we had strawberries. And this strawberry is 32 ounces, which is 2 pounds. Tells you right there. 2 pounds of strawberries. And I counted, there's about 24 in here. 2 pounds has 24 strawberries. If they made an 8-pound bag of strawberries, that would be awesome. How many strawberries would be in there? What else do we got here? Raspberries. I got it upside down. Raspberries. This is 12 ounces, which happens to be 3/4 of a pound. 3/4 of a pound. I counted. It's about 80. It sounds crazy, but I think it's actually a little bit more than 80. But there are actually 80 raspberries in this little tiny package. This one's tougher. 3/4 of a pound has 80. What would an 8-pound bag of raspberries look like? Did I say raspberries? Raspberries. These are raspberries. An 8-pound bag. How many raspberries would be in there? And last but not least, blueberries. This is the weirdest one of them all because It's an 18 ounce. Look at that, 1.1 pounds. 18 ounces, 16 ounces in a pound. So what that means, this is 1 pound and 1 ounce. Why didn't they just make the container 1 pound? I don't understand. It's a 1 1/8 pound container. Weird. I think I kind of looked through it and counted a handful and multiplied. We're going to say there's 200 in here. I mean, that, of course, is not an exact science. There's 200 in a 1 pound and 1/8 ounce. How many blueberries would be in an 8-pound bag? It would be a lot. How many would that be? Those are your problems. They won't come out even. So go to the nearest. So for example, potatoes. This was 10 and 5 pounds. Say it came to something like 12 and a quarter. I would think they wouldn't cut a potato into quarters and you just have a quarter in there. I would think they would just round down to be 12. Say it comes to 12 and 3/4. I would think they would give you a 13th potato. There'd just be 13 in there. So let's assume that none of them, they always give you the whole fruit or vegetable. Okay, so no partials. And there's your problem. 8-pound bag of potatoes, 8-pound bag of strawberries, 8-pound bag of raspberries, and an 8-pound bag of blueberries. Can you figure out any of those? Good luck. We're going to get out.